Let me pause a bit. As I have been explaining, this exercise is made for a beginner who doesn't master yet the forklift. And this exercise is helping you, the beginner, to get used to the forklift, to start controlling the speed, the brake, to discover the forklift. At the same time that you are controlling the body, the volume of the forklift, you are also learning how to control your speed. That's the reason of this exercise. It's for the beginners. Let me do it again for you. So let me do, I'll probably go a bit faster. You see, parallel to the cone, you take it, you go in, parallel to the cone, make sure your first wheel, parallel to the cone, you take the zigzag. So you are mastering the volume. This exercise is about how to master the volume of your forklift and the body of your forklift. Yes, you can do a circle. So a forklift can turn around in a circle. I'm practicing here how to master my speed, how to control the body of my forklift, and how to get used to my brake. In 360 degrees, the same thing I can do here. You see? I can do a circle. As I have explained, you can do a 360 degree around the cone when you are following this tip. Just make sure within the wall, consider that this cone is your wall. Within the wall or a pallet or anything, when you want to turn around, make sure your first wheel, your front wheel is parallel to the cone or your wall, and you can start turning around. You can even do a circle. That's how you do zigzag, by mastering your forklift. That's the first step for a beginner. You look around, you turn, you look around, you turn. You throw your eye, you turn. At the direction, you look, you turn. And the secret, please look. So when you are near the cone, you slow down and then you start turning. You slow down and you start turning. That's how you go through. So if you are going in through the right side, make sure your right wheel is near, parallel to the cone. Let me show you how. Let me bring the camera near. You see? Yes. If you are going through the zigzag on your right side, make sure your right wheel is parallel to the cone. Then you start going through zigzag. You start going through in by controlling your speed. You see how I'm in? Yes. And then, because it's a zigzag, you are going through the left side now. So you can go that side, you'll see. Yes. Make sure your left wheel is near to the cone, parallel to the cone. Look. Look. As soon as it's parallel to the cone, you can start turning. You can start turning and you are in. That's the tip about how to master. 1. So now I'm going this way. I'm going this way. I'm entering from the right. And make sure I slow a bit. My wheel is parallel to the cone. I start going in. It goes in. And so on. That's how you master. That's how you learn how to control your forklift. You see? Yes. So this exercise is forcing me to learn how to control the speed. At the same time, it's helping me to master the body of my forklift before going to the next step. Parallel to the cone, I start turning. As you can see, I'm turning. I'm in. Go this side. Parallel to the cone. So, if you are a beginner, this is your first exercise. As an instructor, that's what I usually do for my students. After doing inspection, before started driving, they first need to go through this exercise to master the body of the machine. That's your tip.
I'm so happy you are learning something from this video. But I need 2 things from you. 1, register to our mailing list down below at the description. Register to our mailing list. Why? It's because when an employer contacts me for a new high-paying job, you will be the first to know about it. 2, like and subscribe to my channel. Why? It's because when you do it, YouTube will recommend to more people, and that will help me a lot. Thank you very much.